There may be times when you want to pause media uploads on the mobile app. So because images are larger than text and they can actually be quite big, they can cost you more in data transfer. So if you're on a limited data plan like a lot of people are, then it might be useful just to pause those media uploads when you're on site using 4G, and then wait till you're back at the office and you're back on Wi-Fi, and then you can upload the files free of charge using the Wi-Fi connection. So by default, media uploads will be turned on. In other words, the media files will upload automatically in the background. But if you want to pause or stop media uploads, then this is how you do it. From the main screen, you need to tap this button which says media uploads are enabled, and then you can toggle this option here. Now there's another way you can do this. If you go into the menu and into media uploads here, it basically takes you to the same screen. If media uploads are turned off, then no image files are going to be uploaded when you're carrying out your survey. Let me show you. So here I've gone into an existing survey. I'm just going to add a new item within this kitchen. Now because I'm using my simulator, I'm going to select a photo from the gallery, but in your case you probably use the camera. Now I'm going to save this item and I'm going to navigate back to the main screen that I showed you before. Now because those media uploads are paused, we get this message, media uploads are paused. If we click into this screen, you can see we've just got the one file. But if you'd uploaded several files, they would all be listed out underneath. If you then want to resume media uploads, let's say you're back at the office now and you've got a Wi-Fi connection, you can toggle this button and the media uploads will just happen automatically. Now that's worked straight away for me. I didn't have to do anything. But if you've toggled the media uploads and you've still got items waiting around in this list and nothing seems to be happening with them, you can refresh or manually refresh the media uploads using this icon in the top right hand corner. Now this will only be active if you've got media uploads within this screen. Because I don't have any, mine's actually grayed out. But if yours is white and active, you can use that to give it another try. So just to recap, media uploads will be turned on by default, which means the images will upload in the background. If for some reason you don't want this to happen, for example, if you're on a limited data plan and you want to save data on site, you can turn media uploads off. This isn't going to affect the text information that's uploaded, that'll still happen, but it will prevent the images from being uploaded. Then whenever you're ready to resume the media uploads, for example, you're back at the office and you've got a Wi-Fi connection, you can toggle that media upload setting back on and they should automatically start to upload.